Hello, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to back up your Google Chrome bookmarks to an HTML file so that you can restore it after either losing your bookmarks or setting up a new computer. It won't take us very long, just a few steps. And the first one's going to be to come over here to the settings button next to your profile icon. If you click on this here, and you're going to scroll down to Bookmarks and then Bookmark Manager. Once we get into the Bookmark Manager, you'll come over here to the Options icon over here, which if you hover over it will say Organize. If we just give this a click, we're going to select Export Bookmarks from this menu. A window will come up that will prompt you to save the file. You're going to want to save it to any type of external media that you have, USB drive or an external hard drive, or you can back up to the Exchange drive or a cloud drive like OneDrive or Google Drive. For backup purposes, you don't want to save it onto your computer. So we're going to go ahead and leave the file name as it is, and we're going to save it to the desktop just for this purpose here in this tutorial. We'll go ahead and click Save, and as you can see, it has saved the bookmarks file here to the desktop. This will conclude backing up your bookmarks to the HTML file for Google Chrome. Thanks.